All right, future shoppers, let's find the fruit aisle first.
Wow, look at the apples. I found the cereal.
Right, shoppers, remember the rules. The vegetables are $2 each. Who can tell me how much the fruit costs?
Ooh, I know! $1. Who's excited to go shopping? Let's hear it!
Oops, the apples fell out.
Look, they're rolling everywhere.
It's okay, we can put them back.
Look, I found the red apple.
Wow, great job!
You found it!
My corn cob is the brightest yellow.
But my carton is much bigger.
You're both making great choices. Let's compare them together.
Did you hear that funny beep?
It made a silly noise. My turn now, teacher.
Oh, I get it now. Yay! You did it! Great job, everyone!
Look, the list says we need bananas, but the basket is empty. Mr. Henderson probably ate them all.
I got it! I finally got it! Look, I found the blue one! Over here, I got one too! The apple shelf is completely empty. Oh dear, what a disaster!
Here, take this.
Oh,
You all worked so well together. I'm very proud of you.
We make a great team!
Hooray! We did it!
We found the lightest basket! Yes!
Excellent work, team.
You did it! You're doing great, sweetie! Scanning all the yummy food, la la la! Wow, it opened up!
Look, I made a fruit tower with a teapot on top. Wow, that is very creative.
Great job, everyone! Be careful, it's tipping! Look, we did it!
Excellent job, children. I am so proud of you all. Wow, this tastes amazing.
It's the best one yet!
I'm so glad you like them. How do we handle it when we both want the same item?
We should take turns politely.
Yes, and we can set a timer too.
Yay!
We organized everything perfectly.
Yay!
Excellent counting, children. You've earned enough to buy the groceries. Go ahead and place the money on the counter.
Oh. That was fun!
Can we get ice cream now?
Let's get outside first, everyone.
Look at that teamwork. You've made the shelves look perfect.
We did it! Bye-bye! See you next adventure!